Hey, it's on there, y'all. This is my first time using a Rivet gun. I don't know why I'm this excited, but we did that.
Perfect.
Back, man. Had to resume. We had to start on a new day. But now we got a surprise for y'all boys. Hey, this boy low-key clean. Hold on. Hey, Dad. Low-key, this boy hard.
Like that?
This hard, low-key. Low-key, this boy hard. Hold on, y'all. We got to get a review on this one of these days. Oh, yeah. No, these ain't spinning, boys. They spinning, boys? Okay. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about this, man. We can get that bad boy on the channel, too, y'all. But this is supposed to be a garage video, y'all. You know, we are installing the splash guards, and Jesus, this thing is dirty. You can't see all that, but it's dirty as heck. It rained on my car. I supposed to be making this video yesterday. It rained on my car, but we gonna get it done today, y'all. So what we got in store for the day is, hold on, I got this for y'all. We gotta install the splash guards. So let me open this up. Oh, it's already open. So yeah. Oh, they gloss black already. We installing the splash guards on the car, so they go look something like this. Probably the wrong side. I gotta go over to the left side. Hold on, y'all. Whew. Whoa, almost fell on my car. That wouldn't have been good, but so it's gonna look something like, okay, yeah, it's gonna look something like that. Hey, Jemai, hold that right there. Hold that right there. I'm holding. It's gonna look something like that. I don't know if y'all can see that real good, but it's gonna look real good when we get the thanks. It's gonna look real good when we get the side skirts on there. So we about to do that. So let's get it, man. First things first, this should be an easy installation. So I got my jack right there. We gotta jack this up. We gotta take the wheel off. Then I gotta take the inside liner off. And then we gotta use the rivet gun I bought and tack it into the places. We gotta use the rivet gun I bought just to tack into the places that the instructions tell us to. So that should be a simple installation. So I'm gonna just go ahead and give y'all. I'm not gonna go to a real in-depth kind of installation because it don't take all that. So yeah, I'm about to record this, and yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm gonna have just some music playing, and we about to go do this. So let's get it. All right, I closed my garage because they cutting the grass and it's a little loud. So yeah, with the Camaro SS, it's a little weird how you gotta mount these things. Well, lift them. So I don't know if you can see it right here. Any piece of metal, you gotta get that part of the frame. So you gotta make sure you do that so you don't get none of the plastic parts. So yeah, man, you know your boy with the condition he is. I try to do as much as I can as possible with my hands. You see my hands, so don't be intimidated to do anything with your car. I try to do as much as I could do with the tools I have at home. So yeah, man, let's continue with the video. So all right, man, I'm about to go ahead and put the camera back down so I can finish and carry on with the installation. So I'm gonna open the garage back up because I'm gonna mute the volume. So when I do something, I'm gonna pick it back up and tell you guys what I did. So pull the liner back, and right there you install the U-nut that came with it, and it goes this way. So when you screwing it up, it pulls it and it squeezes. So you gotta put it right there, boom, like so. Then you put this all back. So now it's like that. So now that U-nut is in there, you see it right there, that's silver. And we gonna use the supply screw, which is this right here. This is the supply screw with the washer on it. And now you put the bracket, which is right there, this one right there, and place right there and right there. You place it right there, and then you go partially put it on there like it says. Basically what we had to do here so far is took the wheel off, boom. You pull the self tapper out, boom. You unscrew, bolt up here, boom. You pull the liner back, boom. Then what you wanna do is you get up in there, you put the metal flange right there on that hole, boom. Then you put the liner back, boom, like that. Now you gotta put the bracket on like this. You go partially put on there just so it can hold tight onto the bottom. You gotta peel the tape off and put it on there now. So they were saying that you need to wipe off this so the tape can stick. So let's go ahead and do that because it's gonna go like this. Oh yeah, sorry about that. You gotta push the bracket in between the liner like that. So you gotta squeeze it in there. So it's gonna go like this. You just kind of push it in there like that. So now everything is kind of snug and tight. Okay, so now we got our rivet gun. I have never used a rivet gun before. We go see how this goes. So let me see which one we need to use. So I never used one of these before. So let's see, cause the rivet, it goes. This one is way too small. So I'm assuming that it's this one. So I think you just screw this off. So let's get this. So I'm assuming when you use the rivet gun, it keeps pulling this through. Then when it gets close to this, it starts smashing the plastic and it smashes it. So I'm assuming that's what's going on here. So yeah, let's do it. Hey, it's on there, y'all. This is my first time using a rivet gun. I don't know why I'm this excited, but we did that. Okay, other GoPro died, but we got this one here. So sorry this video is not the best because, you know, I'm new at doing these things. I just like to get my hands dirty. So oh yeah, that looks real good. It's right there now. It kind of poke out a little bit. It's gonna look good once we get everything on there. So it's real flush. So I'm about to go ahead and just put the other ones on, and then I'm gonna pull the car out the garage. I'm gonna let you guys see what it look like when it's out the garage. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the process of me doing the first one. The back ones and the front ones gonna be the same. So yeah, man, I'm about to just go ahead and cut the camera right here, and I'll be back. I'll probably be pulling the car out the garage. So. In there like this, it just tucks in there like that. So it sits in there just like this. You see something? Let me go get a light so I can show y'all what I'm talking about. Okay, so finally we done. I'm about to pull it out the garage so you guys can see what it look like. Let's go. There we go. So there we go. Really see it, but that's what I wanted for. It's like low key. So I got the wheels spent like that, so I forgot to put the last bolt in. And that's all I got for the video today, y'all. So thanks if you watched all the way through. I'm out.
Perfect.